Well, good morning. And here's our dough. Was out in garage, very cold garage, all night. As you can see, it grew very nicely. Woohoo! So let's get a little flour on our surface. Not too much. We really don't want to add very much flour to the dough. Otherwise, it's not gonna have that hydration that we wanted. So let's just very carefully, like I said, we don't want to knead this dough. We spend all the time fermenting it, getting lots of air and bubbles in there, so we don't want to ruin it by kneading it. Okay, now at this point is where I'm going to put my salt in. So let's just spread it out without kneading it. The rule of thumb is about 2% salt. I'm not measuring the salt, but it would be about 8 grams, which I might put probably a little less. All right, then we're just gonna stretch it out here like this, fold it. Do a bunch of stretching and folding. And this dough is really cold right now. But this is what you want to do. Just roll it up. Do a bunch of folding. And we're going to just use that's one of the reasons you want it nice and sticky. So it sticks to the counter or your surface. It makes it easy to stretch. Put a little bit more flour down here. Like I said, you don't want to add a bunch of flour. Just enough so you can work it. And gently make it into a ball. Creating tension. For now, we're just going to do it like this and leave it sit for another maybe a half hour. The dough is really cold. All right. Let it rest on the counter for about a half hour. And then we're going to do the same thing over again and form our loaf.